Hi everyone, my name is Susan with Sozabella Beauty. I've been a licensed esthetician for over 20 years and I'm also a wellness advocate, and today I'm going to be teaching you a fun and easy DIY recipe for plumper lips, so stay tuned. Before I get started, I would love it if you would hit the like and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. I've got some really exciting interviews lined up with people in the health and beauty field that I think you're gonna really enjoy and get a lot of great value from. So when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell, and that way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Here we go. This is a fun DIY recipe for a lip scrub and lip plumper that you can do at home, and it only requires 2 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet. So the first one is honey. I like to use a raw, wild, organic honey if you have it, and then sugar. So I'm using a organic coconut palm sugar, but any sugar will do, whatever works best for you. And so that's it, 2 ingredients, and here we go. We're gonna take 1 teaspoon of your honey, okay? There we go. Whew. And then I have another spoon here for the coconut palm sugar. There we go. And put that there. I have a little container. This is gonna give you more than one application, even though it's still a really tiny amount. So I have a container with a lid so I can store it in the fridge and keep it fresh. All right, so that's so easy, right? Here you go, that's what it looks like. And so what I love about this is it's non-toxic, right? You're not putting any harsh chemicals on your lips. Super cheap, and it's effective. So honey actually is a natural humectant that draws moisture to your lips, or if it, on your skin. I sometimes do a facial scrub with honey because it acts as a natural humectant to plump up the skin and draw moisture to the skin. So it's doing the same thing for your lips. And then of course the sugar is a natural exfoliation to help slough off the dead skin cells and your lips a nice smooth texture, and then you're ready to go with your next lip treatment. I like to use a patented lip collagen that I always follow up with, and I'll show you how I do that. So I'm going to do a quick demo for you. It's not going to be quite as easy because I'm not in front of my sink right now, but I'll do my best for you. So yeah, all you're going to be doing is just taking a little dab on your finger and then just getting it all over your lips, and then give it a good scrub. And if you lick your lips, it's non-toxic and actually tastes good. I'm going to use a wet cloth because I'm not in front of my sink to take it off. And there we go. So my lips feel nice and smooth. You'll feel a circulation. You'll feel it working even after you remove it because you're creating that microcirculation and stimulating your lips, as well as the honey is working to help draw moisture to your lips. And then I follow it up with a patented collagen HA matrix lip plumper that I absolutely love. It's very hydrating to the skin, to your lips I mean, and it actually will plump up the lips as well. So this is the perfect time, just like when we do an exfoliation on our skin, it has better absorption when we apply our serums and moisturizers, same thing with our lips. So this is why I like to follow up with a good lip treatment right after, and you just need a tiny little dab, like very, very tiny. And then go ahead and get that all over your lips. That's it, guys. And then just let that dry for a few minutes before you put on your lip gloss or your lipstick. This tube it has a lot of product just for your lips, so it's gonna last you a long time. In case you wanna try it, I'll put the link down in the description for you. So that's it, guys. I hope you have fun making your own lip scrub and plumper, and stay tuned for the next video I have coming. You're gonna love it. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.